Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing a particular website that pays you to read a document. It could be an article, it could be a story, it could be anything, any form of document. This particular website is going to pay you to read them. And also I'm going to be showing you a particular website where you can actually get a free certificate this job, which allows you to work on other platforms as well. Now let's dive into this video. Here you go, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, it's going to help the algorithm to push my video to more people. Now let's dive into this video. First website is called hireaprovider.com. This particular website allows you to work as a provider. You can also apply for part-time and full-time job or providingservice.com. Mind you, now I said I'm going to be showing you a particular website where you're going to get a free certificate. A free course to get a certificate on as a provider. So make sure you watch the video to the very end. They pay from the range of $19 to $46 per hour. Now let's move to the next website. So the name of this particular website is called redseed.com. You can go to your Chrome browser, your Google browser to make research on it, and also try to make research on any website I'm introducing or I'm showing, so that you make your own inquiry about it. So this particular website also pay you to review books as well. You can easily log in and sign up as a reviewer on the particular website. Now let's move to the next one on my list. Next website is called grammarly.com. They also provide provider service here. You can apply as a provider also on this particular website. Make sure you also make your own research online to know which of these particular websites you're going to be applying for. So let's move to the next website where you're going to be learning how to become a provider. So the name of this particular website is called providanywhere.com. As you can see, we teach people how to become a provider with our providing courses. You can click on start right now to get started. All you have to do is just to sign up for this particular website. Guys, that will be all about this particular video on how you can make money reading documents or as a provider. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you like the video if you find this episode as well. It's going to help the algorithm to push my video. Thank you for liking the video as well. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave this subscribe. Bye.